So here we go. So kind of watch how we do this. You're going to open up the paper clip. Now, here's what I need you to write down for the bottom here for some things. In order to do a sweep, you need a closed profile. Write that down. A closed profile and an open profile. And they have to be unconsumed sketches. 2 of them. Unlike Loft, we could have more than one unconsumed sketch, right? They both have to be unconsumed. And also, unlike Loft, all the sketches for lofting had to be closed profiles, right? In this case, one is going to be an open profile, one's going to be a closed. But they both have to be unconsumed sketches. So if we look in our browser, that's what they have. There's our open profile, see it? That's the body of the paperclip. And the shape of the paperclip is right here, the circle. Does that make sense? Now here's what happens with sweep. We're going to take that circle and we're going to run it around that profile. And we're going to get basically a paperclip. Almost not so straight. Oh, that's where we're going. Okay? Ready? So we're going to go to sweep. It automatically grabbed my closed profile. It's already selected that. If it doesn't, you can click profile and click on it. So I need to choose the path. So the path is which part of the 2 unconsumed sketches? Open profile. Write that down. So your path will be your open profile. And the closed profile is the profile you need. What's that? Yes and no. The answer is yes, but I'm not going to show it today. It's a little more than where we want to go. But yeah, you can do that. Alright, so all I have to do is choose my closed profile, and it's going to sweep that shape up and around. However, I'm going to go back and make a change. I'm going to change this closed profile. I'm going to do that. Exactly. So think about this. I'm going to go to sweep again. And it doesn't like it. So when you're sweeping, your profile and your path cannot intersect. Okay? Hold on. Let me finish the lesson and I think I'll answer some of the questions. Okay? You're going to do that one. That's just like click, click, right? Then you're going to do this one I'm going to demo. We're going to make one from scratch. So you're going to want to take a couple notes on this. So we're going to start a new part file. And we're going to make a candy cane. Except ours isn't going to be any old plain Jane candy cane. We're going to start with a polygon. I'm going to do an inscribed 6-sided, which means it's a hexagon. First step, make sure you start the center point of the hexagon on the origin. Okay? And I want this polygon to I'm going to put a horizontal constraint on it, and I want the diameter of the polygon to be 1/4 inch. And that should fully constrain it. See it? Everybody with me?
Wait, what do you want to be a 1/4 inch?
The diameter of the polygon. So, what part of the sweep did I create? Closed profile, which is the shape I'm going to have for my profile. Now we need to make the candy cane part. We're going to make a sketch. I'm actually going to have you make a sketch on the origin. So we're going to click sketch. See this little origin here? We're going to click the plus sign next to that. We're going to hover over YZ, top one. And that makes a sketch. And I'm just going to go to a home view to show you we're actually sketching on YZ. See it? We're sketching here. I'm sketching on the right side view. Now, you're not going to see much happen when I do this next step, but I can't really connect perfectly to the origin. You're better off projecting the geometry. What's that do? We've done this one. What's project geometry do? Right? Copies whatever's on another sketch to that sketch plane. So we're going to project out just the center. That's all I want. Did you see the little yellow pop up there? That's good. That's what I wanted. So now I can draw and connect to that. That's all we did. So now I'm going to draw my candy cane. Candy cane about 4 inches long, right? Roughly. Sound about right? We'll dimension it afterwards. And we got to have a nice tangent arc in there, right? And we got a short little piece that goes on the end, right? And we're going to dimension that. So we're going to go 4 inches there. And we'll do 3/4. And we need to make that, we'll say 0.4. So that's fully constrained. So what part of the candy cane did we just draw? The open loop, but it's also what? The path. Alright? Ready? So when we go to sweep this, it automatically grabbed my closed profile. My path is going to be this. And there's my candy cane. Hold on. Hold on, we're not done. I'm going to undo that. I'm going to go sweep this time. Pick this. You know what? I changed my mind. I want to make a fish hook instead. I'm going to type in -1 taper angle.
Wow, that'd be such a cool.
Okay? Oh, wait a minute. I'm not done. I decided I'm going to make a musical instrument. So I did a positive taper angle. I'm not done. I'm not done. Couldn't really work because you can't blow air through there, right? Shell. And we'll remove this end and this end. We'll give it a wall thickness of like 0.02. Click OK. And now it's all hollowed out. So we went from a candy cane to a fish hook to a musical instrument. Here's what I'd like you to do. I want you to do the sweep one. Then I want you to actually do those 3. They're not hard, they're quick.